Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today, we will learn how to add a Blogger website to Google Search Console. Before that, you should know, what is Google Search Console? Google Search Console is a website owned by Google. The purpose of the Google Search Console is to index the post of your website, so that you can easily rank on the first page of Google. Go to Google and search for Google Search Console. Enter into the first link. After that, I have to add a domain property. Enter your domain name. Do not put HTTPS. Put only the domain name. After the press enter. If your Blogger website is on the same Gmail, it will automatically verify your property. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. In the next video, I'll show you how to create a sitemap for your website and submit to the Google Search Console.